Hello everyone, it's Al from gmailfiend once again, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to delete multiple emails in Gmail. So of course what you have to do first is to navigate to your Gmail inbox, and in order to do so you have to be logged into your Gmail account. So once you have done that, then you will be greeted by this page over here, and this will serve as your Gmail inbox. So as I have said, I will be teaching you how to delete multiple emails. So doing so is very easy, and it saves us some time because deleting them one by one is quite time consuming and it takes a lot of clicks. So over here you can see this small boxes behind the star icon. So if you click that, then you will be selecting the emails. So after doing that, then you just have to click the trash button over here, which says delete. So if you click that, then your emails will be deleted. So let's click it and see what happens. So there you go. As you can see, my primary tab is empty. So it means that my emails have been deleted from my inbox. So yes, that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you tune in for more.